All right, so I'm getting ready to trim this up. I noticed we've got a little funky spot down there. Not a problem, because we've been being very careful, very respectful with this clay, and very deliberate. So what I want to do is take that funky spot and control it. Let it know it's all right. Just like that. Okay? No problem. This tool rules to fix anything. This tool and this tool. And if you ever get in any problems and something's starting to go a little south on you, instead of getting frustrated, just go ahead, take the tool and try to fix it. So what I just did right there, I just took my needle tool and I trimmed away. Get it all in one piece. I got it all in one piece. That's real satisfying. Okay, it's like peeling an apple or something all in one piece. So now that that's ready, it's all trimmed, wheel trimmed on the bottom. Let's give it a little foot. All right, it's got a nice little foot. And then from there, we can put a little design work in here.